Here, my new dorm room. And it has my lucky numbers. Let's see. Whoa, what's that?
More like, who's that?
We're roomies.
That's what I was afraid of. Not bad.
Uh-oh, we spoke too soon.
It's a mess! So not up to my standards.
I've seen worse.
Then you clean it.
Fine. Let's start with here. Pfft, dust particles? These are more like dust monsters. Guess they didn't have a trash bin in here. Moving this out of the way. Wow, a perfectly usable mattress.
Not so fast. I'll take that.
I saw it first.
I deserve it more.
Whoa.
Oopsie daisy.
Maybe I don't need a mattress after all. I'm stuck.
Careful or not.
I'm okay. Anyway, you laugh, but I choose to get to work. Being productive feels much better than being belittled. Aha! Just the thing I need. This will be a great bedsheet. And hey, green is my favorite color.
Please.
Time to rest. This is not as comfortable as I imagined. Ooh, that's why.
Ha! Now watch and learn. Phew! I'm done. Easy peasy.
What? No, you're not.
Don't believe me, huh? Honey, my money can buy anything. Even room makeover magic. Told ya!
Oh, I see.
Don't be jealous. Or be jealous. I don't care. Hello? Room service! They'll be here in a second.
You called for me, ma'am?
Show me!
Gladly. How about…
Nah, not in my color season.
maybe this?
Ew! Are you for real?
Oh, I know!
Haha, me likey.
Mission accomplished! This'll only take a second.
Wow!
Thanks to these, you can wish upon a starfish anytime you go to bed.
Thanks!
Rate my service.
4 stars.
Huh? But why?
Keep talking, and I'll make it 3. I better keep this for myself. Bye!
So spoiled!
He deserved even less.
I realize my bed's missing something. Wow, it's perfect! But we can get rid of this smelly thing.
Hey, watch it! So worried. I can use some fresh water. Let's open my window.
You mean our window?
No!
Oh, but
Let's settle this once and for all.
I'm in.
Rock, paper, scissors!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Keep going! Hey, I'm just smarter! Haha!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, not yet. Keep going. Yay! So chic.
Scissors! Huh? You tricked me?
Obviously.
This is so unfair.
Ouch.
Wait, I'm feeling inspired. No window for me? Well, I don't accept that. I might not have money, but I have incredible DIY skills. And here's the view. Ah, not this! Yeah, more tropical pirate vibes.
My side needs more luxury. This was worth 5 treasure chests! Ah! Oh no! How do we fix that? What do I do? What do I do? Just help me with that!
Whoa! Ah! Why would you do that? Ugh. I guess I'll have to be the one to take care of it.
No! Need the maintenance box! It's here! I picked the fastest delivery! The fanciest weighted rug! It did the trick! Move!
Ooh, I have an idea. Let's cut it from here carefully. Yep, more cutting. Now we have 2 pieces. I know you don't see my vision yet, but just wait. Trust the creative process. Don't need these. That's right. I made more of these. She won't be the only one with a rug. Time to paint! Need to make sure the color is evenly applied. And here it is.
Okay, I admit it looks cool.
Never thought I'd hear you say that.
Take the win! TV time!
Breaking news.
What happened?
Things are getting worse.
Oh no!
What is it?
We need to act.
I'm scared.
And you scared me! Huh? What's happening? I'm too young for this!
I'm afraid of the dark.
Then say it with me! Lumos!
Phew. Hey,
Haha! It wasn't me!
you're lying. Huh? Look, it's them. Ugh. You really shouldn't laugh about this. I can teach them a thing or two about recycling. These cans don't belong in the ocean anyway. At least as trash. Ta-da! This will definitely make my side of the room cozier.
Ha! How dare you quit on me! Hello! I'll pay you a lot for this.
I'll do it. This is a dangerous mission. Swimming to the deepest, darkest part of the ocean. I'm here, and nobody else is around. Catch me if you can! Haha!
What took you so long?
Phew.
Here's your payment.
Are you kidding me? Ugh.
This is one of a kind, and it's mine.
Yay! The power is back.
I can't hold this forever! Where do I know. Hold this for me, would you? Uncle Poseidon's trident should do the trick. Sorry, pirates. Get yourself a new treasure chest. This was cursed for humans anyway. Let's see what we'll find in here. This is okay. What else? Ah! Whoa, heavy! I can actually work with this. Gimme! Aw, gold on gold just makes sense.
I need a bedside table, too. Well, guess the bed will be just fine without this. I hope my mermaid tail is just the right size and shape. Hope I don't accidentally cut the floor. Slow and steady. No need to rush this part. Yay! It's done!
Wow, impressive!
We did it! We really transformed the room!
Yeah, it really feels like home now.
High five!
Got it!
Laboobas? We're rewarded.
Unboxing time. Let's see which Laboobas you got. Wow! These are awesome! We totally need to build them houses! Okay. This works. Ugh! Such a klutz! We need something like glue here. Oh yeah, Hubba Bubba will work. Yummy! Glue is ready. Let's put it here and set the wall.
You sure about that?
Yep. Same thing on the other side and one more floor up. Nice. Now add a window here and done. Whoa! Time to get serious. Watch how to attach the walls properly.
Careful! Told ya.
Ouch, that hurt. Gotta try another way. That's it. Whoa! Tape goes here, and we start building. Secure it here, and here too. Now flip it over.
Hey, I don't want to live upside down.
Relax. Just add more tape here to keep it safe. Done. Hey, how did that happen? Can you help? Sure, no problem. Whew, nice. Thanks.
Looks like it's move-in time. I'm inside, but I don't like it.
Huh?
I hate white walls.
I know. I'll paint everything. Let's start on this side. Ugh, this is harder than it looks. Come on, paint already. Whew, finally. What? That's it?
Looks like it'll only take a couple years.
No way! It's so hot. Time for a drink. My favorite soda. Oh yeah. Wait a sec. This always turns my tongue blue. I've got an idea. First, pour the soda in here. Like this. Nice.
What are you doing?
You'll see. Don't move.
Don't shoot!
Relax, you're not my target.
Oh, now I get it.
Whoa, cool blaster! Freeze! Yes! Painting done. Awesome. What about you?
Let's go. I'll start with the roof. This is taking forever. Come on. Oh no! Ugh.
Hey, Cody. Give her this.
Okay, here. This is for you.
Oh, thanks. Now I get it. This wrapper is perfect for my roof. Oh yeah, nice. Let's keep going. Add this inside and stick on the wallpaper. Yay! Do you like it?
Wow, you nailed it.
So, do the Labubu's like their houses?
I like it. Yeah, not bad.
Phew. Then snack time.
Right, I'm hungry too. Come here, yummy snack.
Sorry, but I don't have a bed.
Alright, alright. Oh, I know. Let's take 2 sticks and glue a couple more on top. Connect everything with popsicle sticks, like this. Add a few more sticks here. Achoo! Oh, this'll help. Thread the string through the fabric like this, and hang it as a hammock. Done! Your bed is ready. Let's decorate the bedroom and add some details. Put a coffee table here, and a rug right here. Nice!
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm full.
Since you're free, I need a bed too.
Easy peasy. First, let's lay these sticks like this and glue them together. Add sticks in the corners and some clay balls. Flip it over and add lace curtains like this. This'll hold it all together. And the bed is done. So cute! Put it here. Nice. Add a pillow, a dresser, and a rug. And a nightstand with a few decorations. Done! Try it!
Alright, bedtime.
So comfy.
Meanwhile, I'll watch my show.
1, 2, 3. Ugh.
What's that?
A dumbbell.
I want one too.
Okay, let's do this. Let's take 2 popsicle sticks and cut the third into pieces. Glue the pieces like this. Nice. Ooh, that's heavy. Put the bench here and add the bar holder like this.
There's still lots of space.
Oh, this is it. Just the wrong color. Much better. Now add these sticks and wrap thread around them like this. Done. Whoa, cool ring. Put it here and add the punching bag. Looks like match time. You in?
Okay.
Let's start. First, we decide who goes first.
1, 2, 3. I won! Yay!
Oh yeah? Take this! And this! Yes! You lost!
Not fair.
Hey girl, is that your sock? Let's use it. I need to set up the room.
No problem. First, let's grab some sand. Fill the sock like this. Tie it tight and cut off the extra. Take the top part and secure it with a hair tie like this. Nice! Let's put these seats right here. Now add the TV and a couple of coffee tables. Snacks go here. Let's finish decorating the rest of the room. That's it! Ready for a movie?
Totally!
Hey, wait for me! Whoa, what are we watching? Go away! Ouch, fine then.
I'm hungry too, actually.
That's why I needed the popsicle stick, see? Now we'll set up your kitchen. Add a mini fridge and everything else like this. Drinks go here, and food is served. Enjoy!
Hey, wanna grab a snack? Gladly!
Nice work, buddy!
That's unhealthy! Go back to your house right now! Now we'll make your own kitchen. Add chairs, a cabinet, and the rest of the set like this. There you go! Dig in! Nice! Awesome! High five!
Left to design the courtyard. Add this and this. Looks done. Let's see. Huh? This is trash!
Maybe just use pencils?
Oh, you might be right. Let's take 2 long pencils and glue lots of short ones across them like this. Add more. Perfect. Fence done. Oh yeah, time to place it. Let's add the same on the other side. And lay down this cool grass. Put a couple chairs. And what's a yard without a cool car? Vroom, vroom. Wow!
This is so cool!
Oh yeah!
Whoa! Will you make one for me?
Try using this.
Okay. First, let's add a few more sticks and stack them like this. Now paint them the right color, and done! This'll be the prettiest fence! Add a bit of green grass, put a jacuzzi here, and all the coolest stuff. Just like that. I can't believe it's done! So, which house did you like the most? Write your opinion in the comments. Let's build the coolest Labubu houses together!